Coach, a brand that combines timeless style, quality craftsmanship, and accessible luxury. But have you ever wondered how these iconic bags come to life? In today's video, we'll take you behind the scenes to discover the meticulous process that transforms raw materials into the Coach bags cherished by millions around the globe. Be sure to watch until the end to hear about some unique fun facts about Coach that you never knew. Founded in 1941 in a Manhattan loft, Coach began as a small, family-run business specializing in leather goods. Inspired by the design of baseball gloves, the brand developed its signature supple leather and hand finishing techniques. Over the decades, Coach has grown into a global fashion powerhouse, balancing heritage craftsmanship with modern innovation. Every Coach bag begins in the brand's design studios, where a team of talented designers conceptualizes new styles. Designers draw inspiration from art, architecture, and vintage designs to create modern classics. Sketches are refined into detailed blueprints, and 3D models are used to ensure each bag is as functional as it is beautiful. Coach draws inspiration from New York City's vibrant energy and culture, which is reflected in their bold yet timeless styles. The foundation of every Coach bag is its material. The brand is renowned for its premium leather, sourced from some of the finest tanneries in the world, known for their ethical and sustainable practices. Whether it's pebbled leather, smooth glove-tanned leather, or canvas jacquard, each material is carefully chosen for its durability, texture, and ability to age beautifully. Each hide is inspected for softness, texture, and durability. Signature canvas fabrics featuring the iconic C pattern are created with precision to ensure consistency. Once the materials are selected, the cutting process begins. Skilled artisans and advanced machines cut leather and fabric into precise shapes, following patterns laid out by the design team. Metal templates are used to cut leather and fabric pieces for consistent sizing. Advanced cutting machines ensure accuracy and minimize waste. Handles, pockets, and decorative elements are also cut and prepared. This step requires extreme accuracy to ensure each piece fits perfectly during assembly. The assembly process is where the bag starts to take shape. Panels of leather and fabric are stitched together using industrial sewing machines, and linings are added for structure and finish. Artisans use industrial sewing machines to stitch panels together, and handles and straps are reinforced with double stitching for strength. Decorative stitching patterns, like quilting, add a touch of elegance. The stitching isn't just functional, but it's also a design element, with many Coach bags featuring contrast stitching for added detail. Some parts of the bag require handcrafting to achieve a perfect finish. Artisans paint and seal edges by hand to prevent fraying and add a polished look. Hardware, such as zippers, clasps, and signature Coach tags, are carefully attached. Any additional features, such as tassels or embossed logos, are added. Many bags also feature embossed or debossed logos, adding a touch of sophistication. Coach prioritizes functionality as much as style. Before moving to the next stage, bags undergo rigorous testing to ensure durability. Zippers are opened and closed thousands of times, straps are stress tested, and hardware is inspected for strength and finish. Only bags that pass these tests move forward in production. Every Coach bag undergoes a thorough quality control process. Inspectors check for consistency in stitching, alignment of patterns, and flawless finishes. And any imperfections are corrected, or the bag is discarded to maintain the brand's high standards. Once a bag passes inspection, it's carefully packaged for delivery. Each Coach bag is wrapped in tissue paper, placed in a branded dust bag, and presented in the brand's signature packaging. This attention to detail ensures a luxurious unboxing experience for every customer. In recent years, Coach has made significant strides towards sustainability. Though initiatives like Coach Reloved, the brand repurposes pre-loved bags into new designs, reducing waste and promoting circular fashion. Additionally, eco-friendly practices in their production facilities highlight Coach's commitment to protecting the planet while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Thought you knew everything about Coach handbags? As promised, here are some fun facts that will keep you intrigued. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that the story of Coach begins with a unique inspiration? Baseball gloves. In the 1940s, the brand's founders noticed how baseball gloves became softer, more flexible, and richer in color over time with use. They sought to replicate this effect with handbags, creating durable, supple leather that would age beautifully. This innovation set Coach apart from other leather goods brands at the time. Fun fact number 2. Did you know that the first collection of Coach had only 12 bags? Coach's debut collection was crafted in 1941 in a small Manhattan workshop. The collection focused on simple, high-quality designs that prioritized functionality. These 12 original bags were hand-stitched by a team of 6 artisans, laying the foundation for Coach's reputation for quality craftsmanship. Fun fact number 3. Did you know that the name Coach has no specific meaning? Unlike brands named after founders, for example Louis Vuitton or Gucci, the name Coach was selected to evoke imagery of practicality and accessibility. The word suggests movement and utility, qualities that were integral to the brand's ethos. It was meant to resonate with the everyday consumer seeking stylish yet practical accessories. Fun fact number 4. Did you know that Coach was the first to introduce the American It bag? The Coach duffel sack, launched in 1973, became a phenomenon in American fashion. Designed by Bonnie Cashin, this simple, slouchy leather bag was both functional and stylish. It became one of the first It bags in the U.S., cementing Coach as a household name in the luxury handbag industry. Fun fact number 5. Did you know that Bonnie Cashin revolutionized the brand? Bonnie Cashin, often referred to as the godmother of American sportswear, joined Coach in 1962. She brought her unique design philosophy to the brand, introducing bright colors, lightweight materials, and playful details. Her most significant contribution was the brass turn-lock closure, now a signature feature of Coach bags. Cashin also made the bags more practical by adding exterior pockets and versatile straps. Fun fact number 6. Did you know that the Coach tag is a trademark icon? The leather hang tag was introduced as a simple yet effective branding tool. Every Coach bag comes with a distinctive leather tag embossed with the brand's name, serving as a mark of authenticity. Over time, the hang tag has become a collector's item for some Coach enthusiasts, with special edition tags released for collaborations and anniversaries. Fun fact number 7. Did you know that Coach was one of the first brands to launch its Reloved program? Launched in 2021, the Coach Reloved program emphasizes sustainability and circular fashion. Customers can send in their old or damaged Coach bags to be repaired, refurbished, or upcycled into new designs. This initiative not only extends the life of the bags but also highlights Coach's commitment to reducing waste in the fashion industry. This is a unique practice for luxury brands in the market. Fun fact number 8. Did you know that Coach was the first luxury brand to enter outlet stores? In the 1980s, Coach became one of the first luxury brands to introduce outlet stores. While this decision was initially controversial in the luxury industry, it allowed the brand to expand its customer base. The move made high-quality handbags accessible to a broader audience without compromising on craftsmanship. And moving on to fun fact number 9. Did you know that the most expensive Coach bag ever created was a number 10? Did you know that in 2017, Coach rebranded its parent company to Tapestry Inc.? This move marked its transformation into a multi-brand luxury group. Tapestry owns Coach, Kate Spade, and Stuart Weitzman, allowing the company to diversify its offerings and compete with luxury conglomerates like LVMH and Kering. From concept to creation, every Coach bag reflects a legacy of craftsmanship, innovation, and style. It's more than just a bag. It's a statement piece, a companion, and a testament to the artistry behind accessible luxury. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Coach bags are made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories about craftsmanship and design. See you in the next video.